Very good morning, students, and welcome back in the online classes of science. So, in our previous video, what we have done? We have completed an 12.2, an electric circuit. In that electric circuit, what we have done? We have learned about the two terminals of the bulb, positive and the negative, about the filament, how the if the filament is not proper, then the bulb will not glow, and what we have learned in that, how the bulb will get fused, right? So let me clear that more in this video. See, this is a cell. Okay, the cell is having the two terminal. The positive terminal is here and a negative terminal. In cell we are having a metallic cap on the top, and that's made up of a metal, and a downer, it's a metallic dish. It's a flat, so it's a metallic dish. Now again, what we have done yesterday? Filament, right? See, what do you mean by filament? In yesterday video, it was there like, if the filament is not proper, then the bulb will not glow. See, this is the filament, and if this filament is not proper, then the bulb is considered as a fused bulb. Okay, how the filament is not proper, that we have to see how it will be not proper. Why the bulb is fused? Fuse क्यों हुआ? See, here the innermost portion of the bulb, in that we are having in the middle of the bulb we are having a wire like this. If that wire is broken from the middle, if it get broke, then the bulb will not glow, so the bulb is considered as a fused bulb. Okay, and one more thing, yesterday what we have learned? See, in this way, if we are attaching the cell and the bulb with the help of the wire, if the attachment is not proper, then the bulb will not glow. So those are the things that we have learned yesterday in our video. So today what we will do? We will start the activity 3. In the activity 3, what we are supposed to do, what we are going to do? We are making a homemade torch. In that, for that one, what we need? A cell, a bulb and a wire. So let's start the activity 3. Take a torch bulb and a piece of wire. See what they are telling, that take a torch bulb. Torch bulb means, see, in our house, in our home, we are having a torch, right? In the torch, when you will see that in the torch, it's having a small bulb, not a big one, it's a small one. So in that bulb, it's very small, so that bulb will be used because we have to attach it with the cell, and cell is a small one, so it's having a limited battery. Okay, take a torch bulb and a piece of wire. Remove the plastic covering at the two ends of the wire as you did before. See what they are telling, that take a torch bulb and a piece of wire. Remove the plastic covering at the two ends of the wire as you did before. See, this is the wire, and at here we have to remove the plastic covering. When you will remove the plastic covering, you will get a metallic wire inside. So we have to take that wire out. After taking that wire out, what we have to do? We have to wrap the wire with the bulb. Wrap one end of the wire around the bases of an electric bulb as shown in figure 12.7. See, this way they have wrapped one end of the wire with the bulb. वायर जो निकाला था मेटालिक का, वो बल्ब से अटैच कर दिया है. ओके, wrap कर दिया. as shown in the figure 12.7, वो हमने फिगर में देखा. Fix the other end of the wire to the negative terminal of an electric cell with a rubber band. See what they are telling, that the other end of the wire, this end of the wire, you have to attach here with the help of the rubber band. You have to fix one rubber band on that, and you have to attach this wire over here. Clear? Now what was the next? Now bring the tip of the base of the bulb. See, this is here what we have to do, this bulb, we have to make a touch on the cell. Okay. Bring the tip of the base of the bulb, that is its other terminal, in contact with the positive terminal of, see what they are telling, then when the other terminal will come into the contact with the positive terminal of cell, does the bulb glows? What we have to check? After touching the tip of the tip of the bulb on the base of the cell, the bulb is glowing or not. Okay, as we are making a homemade torch, so our main agenda is to make a light in the bulb, right? Now move the bulb away from the terminal of the electric cell. See what they are telling, that after making a touch, see like this, यहाँ पे touch किया on the top of the cell, the bulb is glowing, right? Again you have to take it off, आपको उठा लेना है. Then the bulb is still remaining glowing or not, we have to check. Does the bulb prevent lighting? Is this not similar to what you do when you switch your torch or on or off? See what we have done today, it's a very similar of a torch, on and off. When you will touch the tap, when you will make a tip on the base of the cell, it will start and again it will off. So in the same way, the torch at our home, what we are having at home, that will also on and off like this. Okay. Now let's start the another one, that's a 12.4 electric switch. When we have an arrangement for switching on or off our homemade torch by moving the bases of the bulb away from the tip of the cell. See what they are telling, that what we have done, we have made our torch, homemade torch, on and off. How? By touching the tip of the cell. When you will touch the tip of the cell, it will on, and when you will take it off, it will get off. This was a simple switch. What they are telling, that it was a simple switch but not very easy to use. We can make another simple and easier switch to use in our circuit. See what they are telling, that we can use another and a very simple switch we can use in our circuit. So let's do one thing, we'll stop over here and activity 4 we will continue tomorrow. Okay. So that's all for the day, students, and have a good day. Bye bye.